Welcome to our exploration of biomechanics. Today, we'll dive into the differences between qualitative and quantitative approaches for analyzing human movement. Qualitative analysis focuses on observing and describing movement using language and standard reference terms. This method is commonly used by coaches, clinicians, and teachers to make judgments and recommendations based on what they see. On the other hand, quantitative analysis involves measuring movement with numbers such as angles, distances, and speeds, often using specialized tools. Both approaches are essential in understanding human motion, but qualitative analysis is especially valuable for quick assessments and feedback in real-world settings. Let's see how these methods complement each other in practice. To perform effective qualitative analysis, it's crucial to have a good command of language and joint movement terminology. Visual observation is the most common approach, allowing experts to quickly identify errors and suggest improvements. Before analyzing, one must understand the purpose of the skill and the potential causes of technique errors. Gaining this knowledge can come from personal experience, reading, or attending workshops and conferences. Planning is also key. Consider what question you want to answer, the best viewing angles, and how many times to observe the movement. These steps ensure that your analysis is thorough and reliable, setting the stage for meaningful feedback. Conducting a qualitative analysis, several factors can influence the quality of your observations. The performer's attire, the environment, lighting, and background all play a role in how clearly you can see and assess movement. Additionally, the use of video can enhance your ability to review and analyze performance in detail. It's also important to consider the performer's age, gender, body type, skill level, and even emotional state, as these can all impact how a movement is executed. By being mindful of these factors, you can ensure your analysis is as accurate and helpful as possible, leading to better outcomes for performers. A qualitative analysis relies on observation. Quantitative analysis uses tools like video and high-speed cameras to measure kinematic quantities. Reflective markers placed on joints can be tracked to provide precise data on movement patterns. These technologies allow for detailed measurement of angles, speeds, and trajectories, offering insights that go beyond what the eye can see. Combining both qualitative and quantitative methods gives a comprehensive understanding of human motion, supporting both immediate feedback and long-term improvement. As technology advances, the integration of these tools becomes even more accessible and valuable in biomechanics.